What if one of the biggest reasons you feel older isn't your age, not your hormones, not your metabolism, not even your sleep? It might be a molecule found in every cell of your body. By age 50, some research suggests NAD levels may be significantly lower than they were in young adulthood. Why does that matter? Because every cell in your body depends on NAD to create energy. It's involved in cellular repair. It's connected to some of the same pathways scientists study when they research aging itself. And that's why NAD has gone from an obscure molecule most people had never heard of to one of the biggest topics in longevity medicine. If you've been hearing more about it lately, there's a reason. What is NAD? NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. The name doesn't matter much. What matters is what it does. Every cell in your body uses NAD to help convert food into usable energy. Without it, the process that powers your cells doesn't function the same way. NAD is also involved in cellular repair pathways and supports enzymes that help maintain normal cellular function. Think of it as one of the molecules helping keep your body's systems running behind the scenes. Research suggests NAD levels may decline substantially with age, although estimates vary depending on the tissue being studied. That's one reason scientists have become increasingly interested in it. Think about the things people commonly blame on getting older. Needing more coffee just to get through the day. Taking longer to recover from workouts. Feeling mentally slower than you used to. Less resilience to stress. None of those automatically mean your NAD levels are low, but they're some of the reasons researchers became interested in what happens as NAD declines with age. Age appears to be the biggest factor. As we get older, NAD production may become less efficient while demand on the body increases. Researchers are still working to understand exactly why this happens. Other lifestyle factors may also influence NAD levels and overall cellular health. Poor sleep, chronic stress, heavy alcohol use, inflammation, limited physical activity. Your body can make NAD from nutrients found in food, but that process may not always keep pace as demand grows. That's one reason researchers have become interested in strategies designed to support NAD levels directly. Over the last decade, NAD has gone from a topic discussed mainly in research labs to one of the most talked about subjects in longevity medicine. Scientists studying aging have become increasingly interested in whether supporting NAD levels could help maintain cellular function as we get older. There are a few different approaches people explore. Oral precursors like NMN and NR are popular. Studies suggest they may raise NAD levels in some people, although researchers continue to debate how efficiently those increases translate into meaningful clinical benefits. Other approaches focus on direct delivery. Injections and nasal sprays bypass the digestive tract, which may offer different absorption characteristics than oral supplements. Researchers are still working to better understand how these delivery methods affect NAD levels and clinical outcomes. Early research has generated significant interest, but large long-term human studies are still ongoing. Anyone promising dramatic anti-aging results is getting ahead of the science. Interest in NAD isn't just about lifespan. Most people exploring NAD aren't trying to live to 120. They're interested in how they feel today. Support for healthy energy levels, recovery, cognitive performance, overall wellness. Some people report noticeable benefits, others notice very little, and that's exactly why researchers continue studying it. The science is evolving, and there's still a lot we don't know. NAD isn't a replacement for healthy habits. Sleep, nutrition, exercise, stress management, those remain the foundation of long-term health. Instead, NAD is often viewed as a wellness and longevity tool that may complement those fundamentals. The people most interested in it are often in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. People who want to be proactive, people interested in supporting healthy aging rather than simply reacting to problems later. As interest has grown, so have the options. What was once available mostly through specialized longevity clinics can now be discussed with licensed healthcare providers through telehealth platforms. Aging is complicated. There probably isn't one molecule, one supplement, or one treatment responsible for staying healthy as you get older. But if there's a molecule at the center of how cells create energy and support normal cellular function, NAD is certainly on the short list. That's why researchers continue studying it, and that's why so many people interested in longevity are paying attention. If you'd like to learn more about NAD+ options, including injections, nasal spray, and tablet formulations, visit OlarisMed.com to see whether a program may be right for you.